Hello guys, this is Frank the Anointed FX. This is our weekly outlook on currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, and metals. So guys, let's start with silver without wasting much of time. Let's start with silver. So last week, analyzed silver as we believe that silver has ended the correction here, but all of a sudden Friday you broke through this validation line and go below. This aversion line go below. It even hit my stop loss because I placed a limit buy here. So it go below and stop me out. So when I look at it, I discover that he had extended his correction. So looking at it now, what we expect now in silver is very simple. This is this is A, this is the A, this is B, this is a C, and this is W. Wave W, this is wave X, and these 5 waves going to be wave Y. It's going to be wave Y. 4 we now see a buy again. So what we are going to do, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for the market to validate my analysis. If market come below here, okay, do the correction here, come below this place, and then break to the deadline, and I'll look for a buy setup between here. I'll look for a buy setup here, and then buy with my stop loss here. So that is all for silver. Then this Great Britain, Great Britain, this is a Great Britain Australian dollar. We said that it's going to come up this very place for a correction of down trade has started. Look at it, the 1 hour time frame. This is the down trade. This is the wave one ended here, and it's a zigzag correction A, B, C. So it has come to our box, but I started it to come up a little bit. I expected it might not end in this box. It might come up here, this line, come up this very place, or it will come up here and end it. So we'll be looking at it, and an update will come on Telegram channel. So join our Telegram channel, and we'll get an update of what's going to happen in that pair. Good. Okay, good. I thought the triangle of good has ended, but looking at it, I discovered that they still have a lot of a triangle. The triangle is still valid. You can see the good where I started the correction. Select correction A, B, C. A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and it's going to do E. E maybe have ended here. E maybe have ended here, this place, but I believe it's going to come here. It's going to correct up and come here. But if it's not, it can, if you break through here, then I'll start buying. So when it correct come here, I'll look for a buy setup here and buy and go. That is all for good, guys. That's all for good. Then during the week, we're going to update it on our Telegram channel. Looking at DSY in a lower time frame, it looks like it's going to do a bit correction. Look at it. It looks like a correction is coming up. Look at it like this: A, B, and C. So it may come up here, meaning that dollar may be more stronger. This dollar may be stronger this very week. That means so I'm going to come up here before any major sell. So that is all for DSY. That is all for DSY. So Euro US dollar. So Euro US dollar, I have to take in mind here. One is that, by the way, as I place a buy limit here, which I've already closed when the buy limit triggered and the moving profit, I close it here because I see that this is going to come down here like this, or it might come below here, even below here. even below here before buy. So you may see come below here and stop here, or come below here and stop here before buying. So looking at it, it looked like a WXY also, but I have not yet confirmed it. I'll confirm it during the week. As the market progresses, we'll confirm W, X, and Y. So it may come here to do Y, or it may not come. It may end here. But I believe, and I wanted it to end here, but I'm not the market. The market have the final say of what it decided to do. So if it comes here, it's good. If it drops here, it's good. Anywhere it drops, we look for a buy setup and buy it upside. This movement of this, let me leave it fair. I'm not doing anything now on this pair thing. The movement is clear. Okay, looking at 3 pounds US dollar, you discover that the same thing occurs here. When you look at it, you see that the correction is not yet over. So we expect the correction to drop more. Expect it to drop more this place or this place. Sorry, let me show you something. It may come below here, it may come here, correct, and drop again here before a buy setup is come. For any bigger buy setup, for any bigger buy setup will come. So we'll be watching it and see what happens in the market during the week. So the update of this chart will be on our Telegram channel. So if you are not there, make sure you are there so that you can benefit from the setups. Okay, look at this guy. He has completed a 5-way structure and is coming for a wave 2. This is wave 1. This is wave 2. So 3 and 4 and 5 is coming up. So the 5-way structure is completely over. So it's correcting for second wave. So you have done wave A, did B, and it's doing C. You're expecting a collection here, up here, then a drop, then you can start buying. That is all for Australian dollar, US dollar. New Zealand dollar, US dollar, similar something, almost the same thing. You have done complete 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So A, B, C. Once we get our C, we start buying. We expect this guy to correct up here before a drop. Correct up here above this level will give us a good portion to sell down. Okay, I'm not trading this one this week. I have not seen clearly what he's doing. When I'm through seeing what he's doing, then I can note where to trade it or where not to trade it. Okay, Bitcoin. As we all tell you the other time, that if you are buying Bitcoin for investment, be sure that you have your money ready because it's not going to stay here. It's coming down to this variable level, this 43,000. So, but it's not going to stay there for it. Just drop there and go. So you can place a buy limit if you are buying in the spot trading, maybe in Binance or Bybit. Just place your buy limit here because it's not going to stay there. It's going to drop with speed and go up again. So it's doing WXY. So it's completing the wave X. This is the wave A of X, wave B of X, and wave C of X is coming. So once it's complete, you see it's time for Bitcoin to fly as normally fly every 4 years. And this year is the 4th year. This is the year of flying of Bitcoin. And it's going to fly. So there's no doubt about that. So S&P. S&P, this guy, I expected this guy is making a deep correction. Making a very deep correction. S&P is making a deep correction. So the update will be on the Telegram channel. Nasdaq. What I see in this Nasdaq is not what I expected. So I expected it to correct here and going up better. What I'm seeing now is like it's coming back down here to do, it's coming all the way to this very level to complete WXY before a buy. So if you are buying it, you have patience, wait for it here. Wait for it at the first. Once it break this low, then start looking for buy opportunity. US 30. US 30, the chart is not yet clear for me. I think it's doing the same thing. It's coming below this very level. It's coming below this very level for a buy. So the update will be on our Telegram channel. If you're not there, try to be here. What oil? Well, I missed opportunity in what oil when I was expecting it to come up to complete is I expected to come up here before I can sell, but it did otherwise. It sell from here. So I discovered that this is one, this is two, and the three is about to be complete. This is where the three will complete. So what am I going to do now? Once I see any correction up, any correction at all, any correction up now, I will say any correction, whether big or small, this is the correction. Any correction up, I will say any correction up, I will say until it gets to this $60. Once the oil gets to $60, then I can have patience for a bigger correction before it's so if you want to trade it, just any correction you see, your stop loss can be here. The stop loss can be here, then it's continue to sell until it gets to here. So any correction I see within the week, any bigger correction I see within the week, that is good. If I see a correction up to this 72, I will sell it to I'll hold it to reach 60. That is my target. That is all for what's for you guys. Tom, Telegram coin, Tom. So I explained before that it's coming down to that box, coming down all the way to $3.74. So if you have your money, keep your buy limit here and wait for it. It's going to come down. It's completing correction. Once this correction is complete, then you might see Tom flying up to $10, $20, even $30, as the case may be, because this is the bullish year of every cryptocurrency. So Tom may as well, you may as well drop to this very junction. Let me show you something. You may drop here. It's about $2 before going up. But I expected it to come here before going up. So that is all for Tom USTD. Solana. You guys know when I analyze Solana, talk about Solana the other time. It's gradually coming up to that point. So don't miss out. Me, I've already placed a buy limit on Bybit, I think at 95. Somewhere, yeah, 95 USDT. That's why I placed my buy limit in Bybit spot trading, not future trading, no. Spot trading, spot trade. I don't trade future in Bybit. Spot trading. So I believe it's going to come there very soon. Then we'll start to buy. That is all, guys, for today. That is all, guys, for this week. Join us, like this video, subscribe to our channel, join us in Telegram channel, and get the full updates of every trade and every chart. Thank you, guys. See you some other time. Thank you.